This is the euro dollar, and if you can see on the, you can see that that is a good close, and it has bounced above the 133.37, and the 133.37 is one of our babies. This has been working like a charm, and we closed the week at 134.12. So it is a reasonable close on a Friday, and we are looking for a continuation to the upside. And this is now, I have a structure point at 133.37. We're just 60 pips or 70 pips away from where we are, the market is. So the structure point is going to be our selling point, our short point, and it's going to be the stop for the short. And that's when the price action is close to these structure points, it makes it more easier for us to identify the trades. But we're going to look first at the intraday so we can see what's this 134.24. Just trying to find what this number is all about. Alright, I don't know what that is, so I'm going to take it off. This is really a very nice chart. It's moving nicely. It's respecting every turning point. It's moving pretty nice to the upside, and as of yet we have no reason whatsoever to look at taking it short. Any pullback here, any coming down, any decline over here is nothing more than a buying opportunity. And we are going to sell it. This is also another beautiful telltale. What is our structure points, guys? What is the structure point that we had in the euro? 133.37. And this is our shorting point. And take a look at this. The market side, and the 133 structure points are just 10 pips apart, and the mid of the New York session on Friday, it was all sitting at or about the structure point. So before in Friday it came down to the structure, it held, and it started to continue moving higher. So today there is no reason for us, because if it comes down to the structure, it's going to behave in the same way, it's going to hold. So there is no reason for us to make any attempt to go short over here, because 9 times out of 10 it's going to hold at the same structure point. You have the key line, you have the previous structure of the session, and you have the structure from the daily. So it is screaming, saying I'm not going to break down unless I am below 133.37. So our shorting point is going to be 133.37. And my structural short is 133.37 as we have from last week, and we are going to place the stop, the short stop, 133.37. On the long side, we want to buy it above that BRD, Alexander. We want to take it above that, so our buying point is going to be 140, 134, 25. And if we do take it above there, our stop has to be below the market side. I'm going to use the market side on both. So my stop on the long is going to be 133.54. It might be a 75 pip stop, but that is what the structure of the market saying. If it is too big for you, cut your size or do not take. Let the euro settle before you actually jump in and buy. Okay, so let's and then do the structure for the euro. Structure long. The next one is the 137. That's my structure long. It's the 137.46. So my structure long is 137.46. So it should take us, we have another 400 pips to the upside if it does. Hold on, there's something else here. I'm just looking at this, guys. Give me a second here. Okay, this changes it a little bit. So we are going to be buyers at 134.46 or higher, and if I buy it right there, this is also going to be my stop. Okay, so the euro is, we're going to buy at 134.46, and it is also, and my structure point is 142.16. I'm going to place my stop if I go long right below my entry point. So if I take it above 134.46, my stop is going to be very tight. Gonna give it a few pips, and I will only go short below 133.37, and my structure short is the 133.37 also, and my stop is the 133.37. So the euro is sitting at, really it is bordered by a structure point to the upside and the structure point to the downside. So the trades are quite high probability and quite safe for us to take these trades. Okay, this is the euro.